the question we are going to discuss is: explain why bunkering is considered a hazardous operation. What type of casualty can occur during bunkering? Discuss the implications of such incidents if so happens. Let's start with the key hazards. Bunkering, the process of refueling a ship, is considered a hazardous operation due to the various risks involved. Here are some of the key hazards. Fire and explosion risks. The handling and storage of flammable liquids, such as fuel oil, can lead to fires and explosions. The risk of ignition is high, especially when handling volatile fuels like liquefied natural gas, LNG. Toxic substances. The bunkering process involves handling toxic substances, such as fuel oil, which can be harmful to human health and the environment. Pollution risks. In the event of an accident or spill, fuel oil can contaminate the environment, causing harm to marine life and ecosystems. Safety risks. The bunkering process involves complex operations, such as pumping and transferring fuel, which can be hazardous if not performed correctly. Quality disputes. Disputes over the quality of fuel oil can lead to machinery damage, loss of propulsion, and substantial claims. Operational risks. The bunkering process requires careful planning and execution to avoid operational errors, such as incorrect sampling or inadequate documentation. Now we will discuss the casualty that can occur during bunkering. Fire accidents. Bunkering operations involve the handling of flammable liquids, which can lead to fire accidents if proper safety measures are not taken. This can result in injuries or fatalities to personnel on board, as well as damage to the vessel and surrounding environment. Oil spills. Bunkering operations also involve the transfer of oil, which can lead to oil spills if not handled properly. This can result in environmental damage, economic losses, and harm to marine life. Explosions. The handling of flammable liquids and gases during bunkering can also lead to explosions, which can cause significant damage and harm to personnel. Let's discuss implications of such incidents. Environmental damage. Oil spills and other environmental incidents during bunkering can cause long-term damage to the marine ecosystem, affecting marine life and habitats. Economic losses. Fire accidents, oil spills, and explosions during bunkering can result in significant economic losses, including damage to vessels, equipment, and cargo. Humanitarian impact. Casualties during bunkering can result in injuries or fatalities to personnel on board, as well as psychological trauma to those affected. Reputation and regulatory issues. Incidents during bunkering can damage the reputation of the vessel, its operators, and the bunkering company, potentially leading to regulatory issues and fines. Increased costs. Incidents during bunkering can result in increased costs for cleanup, repairs, and compensation, which can be a significant financial burden for the